Okay, I've kind of laid the dashboard in there. There are clips on the front of it. They're supposed to go over the cowl. They might be a little bit difficult to get lined up. But the defrost vent was not a problem. Needs to be bent more. I had to flex it to get it out. So, yeah, there you go. But now can I pull it back far enough to get those clips onto the cowl? They're not easy. I think I'm going to need to use a screwdriver or something to try and pry down on those. Open them up. Just put it in like that. I don't know how good that would be, but basically sitting on top of those clips instead of them clipping onto the cowl. Probably when you got it all together, nothing would you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. But I am now that, and you really can't see anything under here, but now that I've got this in, I'm going to shut the video off and see if I can play with those clips and see if I can get any of them to hook. It might be a bad situation where you get one open, but in order to get it on the cowl, you need to have the next one open. So I'm going to play around with that a bit off camera and see what I can figure out. Okay, so I'm looking up under the dash, and excuse the unsteady camera, but I'm in an awkward position. See these clips here? One there. One right there. One on the other side of that defrost vent. And basically in the same position on the other side. But those had to be spread open to get over the cowl here. Oh, where's my finger pointing? To get over this cowl right here. And what I had to do to get them in is I had like 3 screwdrivers rammed into the side of them like this to hold them open. And then once I got them on, let's see if I can get a better light on that. Okay, turn the light on. There it is. Maybe I can get it so that the screwdriver was in here, back here like this, holding it open. Once I pushed it on, I was able to pull the screwdrivers out. It looks like it's on the way it should be. So yesterday I put the dashboard in place, and I was getting ready to install the trim pieces on the window pillar and the sun visor, and my phone rang. It was my wife wondering what I was doing, and I was like, "You're really getting off of work?" She says, "No, I'm not." She's actually late. Turns out that we had a power outage, and I have an analog clock down here. I was looking at that thing, thinking I had all kinds of time, and it was over an hour later than I thought it was. So there we go. We got the trim panel in. I had to fit it under the header piece down alongside the dash, and it should be clipped to that Velcro almost type thing. There is a screw that goes there. I'm trying to determine. Yeah, that's the sun visor screw. So I have two sun visor screws to put in here, and I wonder, I have them both off, and I don't know if there's a right way or a wrong way. That's interesting. Now, let me try it the other way, because the imprints of the two little, oh, that's not even close. That's the right way, because of the imprints of this frame are in there. Let's see, if I put this on, I'll still have access for that hole. Should have brought my drill driver down, because that would make it faster, but that's in. All I gotta do is tighten those screws and find one more screw for the header panel there, and then repeat on the other side, and the dashboard will be completely installed.